Hey there, I'm Alex, one of the founders of Steer. Let me show you our messages page. So in the top right, you can see our Google button is red. This means that we're connected with our email, which makes email sending possible. Now you can see we have our first two messages here. In our upcoming, we can attach our resume right there, and we can adjust the settings in the bottom right. When we're done, we can click Schedule Send. Once we schedule send, it will turn blue to indicate that your message will be sent at the time that you want to send it right through your email. And that second box at the top there, I'm just going to note is in case you were replying to a specific email thread. Now for our bottom message down here, let's make it so it appears at the top because this time has already passed. So instead of schedule sending, you can just click send. But before we do that, why don't we actually use the AI message assistant to edit the message a little bit. Perfect. Now that I have a message I like, I can ask the AI to make those adjustments for me, and I can go ahead and send this message. Now that the message is sending, we can look over at some other things. You can see here we can actually copy the text if we want, and we can send our message. Boom, an email sent. We can look in our history, and we can see that our message has been sent. It records all the messages you've ever sent, and you can actually go back or you can delete the messages if you want. But let's go back. Let's say that we didn't actually send this message. This would be more relevant if you weren't connected to Google, where you would actually have to manually click a second time in a new tab. You can also delete the message. There you go, deleted. You can also create a message right here. So let's send one to myself. You can pick a preferred contact method. This time, let's click LinkedIn. Let's say hi, and let's schedule that message. So LinkedIn messages send a little differently. They send by going onto LinkedIn, copying it, and you still have to click message and copy paste, but it still works roughly the same. You can click calendar. You can see the follow-up message is there. This is only for emails because LinkedIn chats are a little bit more informal. You can also see on the home page, on the tracker, you can see that all the messages that I have queued up are in our upcoming messages. So you can see the messages anywhere. So that is how you use our messages page.